In this video, I'll be showing you how to change passcode on iPad. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any iPad you have. So let's say you have a current passcode, but you want to go ahead and change it to something different. It's very easy to do. What you want to do is go over to your settings application, and then scroll down the left sidebar until you find Touch ID and Passcode, or Face ID and Passcode, and then it's just going to ask you for your current passcode to unlock the iPad. So just go ahead and give it that. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it right now. Now what you're going to see is a lot of options right here. And all you want to do is you're going to find a change passcode option, and then all you want to do is click on that. It's going to ask for your current one. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it that right now. And then it's going to say enter your new passcode. It says for the next 72 hours, you can use your previous passcode to reset your new passcode if you end up forgetting the new one you input. And then that's it. You can even have passcode options and choose what sort of passcode you want to. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.